Friends, very good morning to you once again. We have to discuss most of the information which related to malware. In malware, you can find how the particular way of set of instructions packages which are going to be damaged, which are going to be interrupted, which are going to be insecure while executing a program, or you can go for debugging standards level, and also which are going to be insecure most of the status of user managing various process. So in that one, we can find out various way. Malware especially, we can think about because of through the executable files. So if you come across like a programs which are in the combination of both ASCII and the binary, most of the versatile strategy which are from the binary, and especially computer virus. See, computer virus, once again, a virus is basically primary level of insecure set of instruction packages. So available for damaging whole set of execution. If the user want to go for execution while debugging, while any sort of an interaction which are going to be faced by user to the program, by the time which are going to be damaged. See, what it means to say is small software program which are literal programs which are going designed for the purpose spread from one level of location to another, can say computer to another computer, which are going to be interfaced with various operations while performing editing, while executing, debugging, processing, various other aspects. You can say how they usually perform some types of inadequate or which are going to be damage the activities and insecure we can call it as harmful activity, which are either considered to be a part of nuisance or which are going to be destructive. That means sometime we are executing a program automatically become hang, program automatically become not in the running status, program automatically become giving a junk code of representation. These are the various levels or the various status of nuisance as well as destructive. See, once you are using, immediately restart. Sometimes the system itself only restart, and sometimes you can find out downloading itself only halfway, which are not going to be download fully, which are going to be ineffective, which are going to be insecure during the time of user interaction to the program. See, we can say various levels of the classification. So if so, nuisance and the destructive are like a damaging the program. One is like a corrupt files, corrupt in the sense program itself only. Suppose we are writing like a functions, objects, classes, and similarly various levels of calls, iterative functions, recursive functions. The file itself only corrupt, not in it. It look like, see what will happen, size of the file, you see that one in terms of megabits per second, file in the terms of kilobytes, then immediately those programs itself only damaging, corrupting files. A second level is destroying data. Suppose we are going to give some sort of an input in the form of various primitive data types according to the program, that itself only going to be destroyed. You are entering through the known factor such a way that through the keyboard or whatever it may be, the input devices. So, but the data which are not going to be considered for the program itself only, we can call it as destroyable data. And display irritating messages. You say that one, some sort of warning messages, so which are not going to be understood with respect to the program, with respect to the process, with respect to the various levels of accessibility and the execution going to be take place. Corrupt computer systems. So we have various types of hardware aspects like control, DMA, logical unit, CPU interfaces, so interrupts various. there itself only one among maybe a corrupt, then no chance of just go for. And some of the time like a debugging, probably you might be used like a STB, DBS standards tools are available. If you use like a GNU, general license compiler like a GCC or a G++, whatever you're using on the Linux environment, there you can use program here in order to find out. We are not in a position to find a clear traces or similarly tracking of the inputs of the process. So you can make use with the help of some standard level of debugging tools. Those itself only corrupt itself during execution, during a debugging. And especially some viruses replicate themselves, generating, which are going to be duplicate them itself only, mirroring them itself only, which are not in a position to give a proper, expecting output is different, expecting level of result is different, but because of involvement and the interfacing of some level of the illiterate program, which are going to be damaged, they themselves only replicate, which means that the copy of themselves over and over, duplications, multiple number of, like you might be knowing, if you go with like a shortcut key, or similarly, if you go with like a alias, similar, there itself only you can find some of the program which are going to be damageable. See, we can find out number of levels of classification, one to another types of classification the virus. So you can find out, after memory resident viruses, so rootkit viruses, so polymorphic viruses, so logic bombs and time bombs. What are the relevant characteristic features? See, if you look at like a virus already available, a reside in, correct, no? It's a part and partial of a primary memory or a secondary memory, which resides in a computer, RAM, correct, no? Primary memory. After it's initiating a program closure. See what will happen? You are going to be terminate, you are going to be suspend the session. No? During the time itself only, it will increase. File size itself only increasing because of the resident memory providing inadequate insecurity to the file. And similar fashion, a rootkit virus. A virus is totally not in a position to predict undetectable virus which attempts to allow gain control of a computer system and which are automatically entirely different. Suppose whatever the platform files, batch processing files are there, time sharing files are there, regular files are there, we can easily distinguish, create with its own option of files. We can call it as rootkit virus. From the home directory, from the super user directory, which are going to be accessible, and distinguish these files entirely different from operating system files. Probably .bajo, .confo, .syso, various. You can see that one, system related files other than that one, which are going to be provided. We are not in a position to unpredictable, we are not in a position to undetectable, these type of an attempts which are going to be made insecure to the kernel itself. Copies itself by creating multiple files. Poly means many, because a single virus file ultimately damaging multiple levels, which going to be copy and creating multiple number of files with itself only. A junk level of a programming concept. And changes its signature, making it hard for antivirus software to detect. Even though we have like various type of an avastha, various, correct? No, we are observing like if you can purchase, you can go with a trial and error. Through the antiviruses package software also, we are unable to detect and predict what sort of a damage, what sort of a insecurity happen through this many morphic virus. That means to say, a single file of a virus going to be copy multiple level, which are going to be damage the whole system, having its own signature of single link, making a very, very difficult to find out, predict and detect various type of an information which are not in a position to understand. Logic bombs and the time bombs programmed to initiate at a specific date when a specific event occurs. See what will happen. You have to be very cautious. Suppose some programs or some functions or some various type of entertainment levels of the events which are going to be organized and which are going to be launched and the host through the system. During that time itself only, the particular the banner what is going to be appear. Similarly, in which way the arrangement and the management of the resources for displaying, which are going to be damaged with a specific level of a program called a logic bombs and time bomb, which are going to be attack, which are going to be make a how the insecurity through a level of standard programs. We can call it as logic bombs, which are going to be initiate a specific level of a program. So a specific date, which are going to be happen in the event of system. Through the system, once you are going to be host to or launch to web hosting, you can say web hosting, web launching, website creation, and some sort of online, especially now we are finding, if through webinar, if you are through that one, during that time, if any sort of an attack which are going passive or active attacks or like any sort of hacking which are going to be happen, those are also part of time bomb. And what are the different steps which are involving virus? See, beginning the idle state. See, every type of a program or a process or a procedure, there should be their own certain procedures. Here also, how the virus is going to be, it will identify. Suppose what will happen if you log in and become idle on the system. You're opening multiple number of services like online, offline. Example like email services. So example like telnet services, so chat services, so online transaction services. Identify which particular service is predominantly not usable. We can call it as idle status. Then the propagation phase, which are going to be identified with itself only into other program, which one is easy to attack. That is called, suppose the transmission time itself only, how much time it's going to be take. Is it possible to find out this particular propagation to this attack, through this attack? Virus places an identical copy itself into other program. That means to say, which will identify various different locations or addressing. Then through that one, the copies are going to be moved in all programs which are connected in network, which are connected in a link establishment to there. This is status of propagation. And triggering phase. See how the process which are going to be inadequate, intended to be purpose going to be match, intended to be purpose is going to be repeat for stealing a flow of an exchange information, a duplication of a data. See, we can say only is a beginning state and initiation, indication, request, like that way. How the after initiating a idle state, the propagation and the triggering in this is process of making a mechanism of entering a various type of a duplication for insecure of data. And finally, the execution phase, the function is going to be performed. That means to say, we are not in a position to make use what we expecting to be purpose of doing a program. These are the 4 important phases available in any sort of a virus, which are in malware, you can take Trojan, time bomb, whatever the various type of programs of the virus going to be attacked, have their own systematic procedure of a phases, beginning from the dormant phase, so beginning, initially idle, then interacting, interfacing, propagation phase, the process which are going to be take place, triggering phase, finally execution, which are going to be, say the process is going to be complete to attack and the hacking, like that. Some of the important demerits of the viruses are, what is the status of the virus? Usually will computer or the system become slow. The rate of transmission, usage, purpose become slow. A random restart. See, we are doing, indeed, we would like to say, I'm regularly, no problem at all. But system itself only is going to be restarted. That indicates that when the literal program which are going to be attacked, viruses are going to be attacked and damage some of the hardware as well as the program strategies. Unknown and uninstalled icons on desktop. See, you might be come across very easily the standard level of an icon which are going to be, you may create a user created icons or user created folders. So various. Other than that, one surprisingly we are going to see which are no way to the system information, no way to the platform OS or the user knowledge. Icons. Icon changes in appearance. Correct. Now you can find out. You can easily find out. Suppose we are going to be create a file or a folder. Which one is the best one? Correct. Now other than that structure, you can see in a different fashion, shape, appearance. System memory and disk space is reduced. Obviously, whatever the memory, 8 GB, similarly 16 GB or a 4 GB, whatever the RAM of that one is primary RAM, and as well as a system disk space, whatever the usage, if when you are using the option like a DU, DF or disk file system or similarly disk usage, you can find out today what is the status of the usage and tomorrow. If any sort of a virus attack and the damage a complete system, then automatically both the disk space as well as memory is reducing. New windows open, alarming rate. Correct. No, we are not in a position to see. We are working regularly. We are concentrating our work status through a particular window. Unnecessary which are coming in between might be knowing. Correct. No, through emails, so whatever it may be, not through my emails, so any sort of a different type of a social network you are opening. Other than that one, you are finding ideas of the various windows open without our knowledge. And meanwhile, we can find out some sort of a messages, error message on the regular basis. To send if on the desktop environment to and monitoring, correct, now where the console is there, unnecessary the message which are going to be displayed. No way concerned to the user, no way concerned to the process, no way concerned to the system. You can get various type of error messages that particularly can come to know, understand very clearly insecurity status. File disappear, correct, now whatever your file is there, you created in the form of like PDF, Word, or whatever this different type of an extension, automatically disappears. That means to say disadvantages, insecurity, damage whole system as well as the programs. See what are all the, if you observe very clearly, if you are going to make you like a magnetic disk type of a drive, say master boot sector and the boot sector virus, which are going to be damaged from the kernel itself only, from the system disk device itself only. Boot sector, which are going to be alter, hide the boot sector, usually the first sector of a bootable disk, hard drive or the floppy. You see this one cylindrical structure of the floppy disk, cylindrical structure of the hard disk, what we are using like a megaflops, MFLOPS. Similarly, RISC-based, reduce instruction set per computing, complex instruction set per computing, MIPS, million instruction per second. Various categories of the disk you are using. Then, with the motherboard, with the PCB, with itself only going to be damaged, and call it as master boot sector. In fact, the boot sector of a hard disk or a floppy disk today, floppy disk totally absolute, but initiated such a way that which are started, which are damaged, the magnetic tape drive, then followed by hard disk. Hard disk also made up of a specific device, correct? Now, those also going to be damaged. And also affect the master boot MBR, probably in Linux environment, maximum space allocation to make use for the user is called MBR, master boot sector of the hard disk. See, this one we can easily identify whatever the RAM is there, doubly of that one you have to be create. Suppose your RAM is 8 GB, then 16 GB above that one you have to create. Because which way the file transaction, folder transaction, user transaction are going to be for buffer clearance, buffer interfacing, this MBR is a must, and there, if something goes attack, that is ultimately insecurity of the data. And the first software loaded onto the computer system, MBR, reside either in hard disk or a floppy disk or whichever it may be. See, not only the primary hard disk, secondary hard disk or secondary using pen drive, or sometime you can find out, correct, no? Some sort of stealing a data or some sort of in execution of a data, in execution of a program is turned on. Hardware locates and runs the MBR. This program automatically loads. That means to say uploads the rest of operation into the memory. Without boot sector, company will not work. See, keep in mind, MBR is a must. You can take any sort of a standard level of the Windows environment to standard level of the Linux environment, whichever it may be. MBR, master boot sector must. But this is also going to be damaged with the help of set of instruction packages called a virus. Then what are mean by macro virus? Above the micro level. Composed of sequence of instruction which are going to be interrupted rather than executed directly. See, what we observe like a Trojan or so, similarly various of the simple sensitive level of a program, other than that, which are going to be damage the whole set of a system and similarly the program during execution. And the here, which are going to be interrupt directly or indirectly without execution status also going to be damaged. We can call it as macro viruses. Designed inefficiently or ineffective. Different types of documents in like what? Suppose you would like to go with like, we have a compatibility of the Windows 2007 or 2000, correct, no, 3, whatever you are using. But sometime what will happen, the interfacing of the data, and even though not only the Word, Excel sheets also, PowerPoint presentation also, which are going to be in the different types of documents. We can call this macro. That means we can easily understand what sort of this type of problem going to be arise. May delete these files or may convert them into the unreadable form. Chances are there we are not in a position to read and understand, and a deletion options are which are they once again they used to be create abruptly. First macro virus was written for Microsoft Word and was discovered in August 1995. The virus invented during August 1995 from Microsoft through a Word file, which automatically infect and automatically insecure the data in a flat file. We have find a lot of macro exist. Some example, Relaxo, Melissa, A, and Bablas. These are the various type of macro viruses are available for damaging all set of info. Comes to the email services. Respected my dear friends, see regularly you are making use of information which relates to email services. You say email is going to be one of the day-to-day our regular communication device at present. You can say communication interactive resources moves around in email messages, so triggered when user opens attachment. What will happen? We are indeed very happy to see, very glad to go through this particular like a greeting, so compliments, whatever comes from your friend or so on and so forth. If you click that one, immediately that attachment itself only triggering some sort of damaging a program, hence propagates very quickly, immediately, which see, we are opening, you think yourself only, you are opening in inbox or mbox. After going through the link, then ultimately which affects to the platform of memory as well as hard disk. Replicates itself by automatically. What are the phases you have observed? No? The important phases which related. See, category, dormant phase, so propagation phase, so triggering phase, so execution phase. According to that one, these are going to be damage the level of execution process as well as interfacing process. People in victims of email address book, see, might be see that one, some sort of a template, what we can see, observe such a way that if you click immediately, the mail attachment which are going to be damaged, where is the information which are going to be stored. worms as like a virus, very similar to virus. It has the ability to self-replicate with itself only, create the damaging of a resources, lead to a negative effects on our system itself only. But they can be detected and as well as eliminated by the help of a various type of set of instructions of antivirus softwares. These are all generally spread through electronic mail and as well as where the communication network process. They do not, in fact, damage them, but they replicate very speedy and also which are going to be damaged. The entire network may be a chances to crash also, collapse also, and network become no way of finding the services also. We have a different type of, like worms are basically replicate with itself only, damaging the email services as well as backbone of a services of a network. Some of the important example like PSW or B, and similarly Lovegate.fo, Trill.c. Some of the standard level of worms are available for damaging info. If you go with a comparison of a worm features, look at file, computer virus needs a host file, copies itself only, and executable. The attacking which are going to be take place at the time of execution. And if you observe in case of a network worm, no host, which are a self-contained level of interfaces, so copies itself only, and also during the execution. Similarly, Trojan horse, no host to self-contained once again. That means to say system is not required. Program itself only generate the file and which copies to itself various wherever the links are there and which are going to be open during the time of execution. That is a meaning. Similarly, does not copy itself but imposter to the program which are going to be link establishment to wherever the level of pseudocodes are available, attacking going to be happen through this one. What is meant by Trojans? Which are as like a malware, what we observe, malicious software, but which are going to be other than the virus category, do not produce by infecting other files or maybe self-separate. Either of the files infection from the other files or maybe self-replication of a like worms and which are providing a distinguishes themselves with respect to the various type of program execution and as well as the applications. Some of the examples we can just observe like a Trojan name itself only. When their carrier program is executed, which are going to be damaged a whole set of a data and maybe chances of destroying files also, destroying data also. And this particular attacker program, especially called a Trojans, which are going to be inaccessible and the computer automatically become not in a position to provide a service. And here for this also, we can make you some sort of antivirus packages are there. Logic bomb, one of the oldest type of malware software, malicious software, and code which are going to be linked and execute itself predetermined conditions and which are going to be the purpose of stealing the data. Certain days known as before that one, identify logic bombs and time bombs also. Activate when they got a specific time or specific date to similarly specific event going to be happen during the time, how which are going to be attacked, which are going to be hack the state of the information of the system as well as a data. Now logical bombs to time activated when which are going to be specified conditions are going to be meet according to the present so absent to some files so particular date and time and particular user also. We can say in the form of not only the event, not only the function, not only the banner, not only the user, even system also. When triggered, typically damage the following: modify, delete file, disk, so and also system become totally hanging status. We can call it as alt machine. And trapdoor. This is another type of a virus, normal procedure which are going to be supplied with the help of, suppose your through password which are going to be analyzed, through password which are going to be detected through that one. Who successfully penetrate a system may insert trap doors to allow them entry at a later date. That means to say, try to attack such a way that with the help of a significant, a closely manner through with the help of available password, even if the vulnerability that they originally exploit also going to be closed, not in the instances which are going to be damaged. Provide an excellent level of hacking strategies with the help of password availability and the insecurity and the cyber crypto analysis. And what is meant by phishing? Basically, correct? No, I used to say like pronounced as phishing. The word as original from two words, we can call it as password or harvesting. That means how we are going to be get back the pretext information through online, no? Which are going to be detected, which are going to be attacked, and find someone else with the help of sensitive information from the attacker, from the intruder, from the hacker, also known as brand spoofing. They have their own level of art and skills, which are through how they can easily attack the system. Spoofing attack, once again, spoofing attack. This is for the IP. Suppose where exactly the class of the IP, network security available, how we can go for damaging this whole system of an information. Context of network security, the level of spoofing attack going to be take place, which are going to be fall shoot. Understand the complete cross section of the IP architecture through that one. They are going to be attacked. Hacker can take a control of network through hacking of one system. Understanding the clear information about the configuration of the system, IP addresses and IP1, IP2. Suppose they can easily study a complete picture of how many number of ports are connected to, what sort of a program they're executing, or how the transaction going to be take place. So through that one, you can call it a IP spoofing attack. Address hardware. And this will I'll continue next class. Hardware, and what are the ransomware programs are available. What is meant by spyware and the computer antivirus. You see that one. What are the denial of services, so distributed denial of services. These things I'll explain in the next class. And next class, after finishing all this program, we'll just get into the environment of a complete status of first and the second unit, then followed by a third and the fourth unit already we prepared, and we will go according to the plan of action. Any questions? I told today very important related information about a computer viruses, so how which are going to be corrupt, how which are going to be destroy the data, how which are going to be irritating